In today's video, you'll learn how to make fenugreek water at home. Fenugreek seeds have a myriad of health benefits ranging from regulating the blood sugar levels to battling digestive problems, including constipation, loss of appetite, and bloating. However, not many people are aware that fenugreek seeds can also help you lose weight. Yes, you heard that right. These amazing seeds can also facilitate weight loss when consumed correctly. Fenugreek seeds, or methi in Hindi, are loaded with a host of essential nutrients, including iron, vitamin A, vitamin D, and soluble and insoluble fibers. Since fenugreek seeds are loaded with fiber, it helps in curbing your appetite and leave you feeling full for a longer time. It has 45 to 60% galactomannan, a water-soluble fiber that increases the feeling of satiety as it swells up and fills your stomach. As a result, it prevents you from overeating or binge eating. It can also be used in many ways, including its leaves and seeds. Fenugreek seeds can be consumed as a whole or can be used in powdered form as a flavoring agent in dishes. You can even use powdered fenugreek seeds to make a healthy tea. Did you know that drinking warm fenugreek water is an effective way to reduce weight? You can easily make homemade fenugreek water for weight loss and overall wellness. To make fenugreek water at home, you'll only need fenugreek seeds, a blender or mortar and pestle, and water. Here's a simple and amazing recipe that you can prepare quickly. 1. First, roast some fenugreek seeds in a pan. 2. Crush the roasted seeds in a blender or mortar and pestle to make a fine powder. 3. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder to 1 glass of warm water. Now you have fenugreek water at home. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Drink fenugreek water on an empty stomach every morning to see results in less than a month. Fenugreek water is considered safe and is widely used as a great tonic due to its various health benefits. However, it is not recommended during pregnancy as it may cause miscarriage because of its strong effect on the female reproductive system. High doses of fenugreek have also been associated with adverse effects on fertility. When fenugreek is consumed in amounts commonly found in foods, it is generally recognized as safe by the Food and Drug Administration. But in higher doses, fenugreek may cause mild side effects such as diarrhea, nausea, and other digestive symptoms. In large doses, fenugreek may also reduce blood sugar levels. Therefore, fenugreek should be used with caution, especially in people taking diabetes medication or other supplements that lower blood sugar levels. While fenugreek seeds are full of nutrition and helpful for weight loss, it's important that you consume them in moderation. Fenugreek seeds are considered hot in nature, so stick to having only 1 tablespoon daily. Again, although they may not help you in spot weight reduction, they can help control many related factors that concern weight loss, especially when consumed regularly. Maintain a good diet plan with regular exercise to see the best results. Have you tried making fenugreek water at home? Tell us in the comments below. If you liked the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.